It's very important to say that there are lots of installations that in the market for cement and building material, they are aging over the years, where the technology they provide is now obsolete. And in many cases, the characteristic of the bags of the cement or the material to be bagged change a lot. It means that the same equipment that originally was good for the application is not anymore optimal. So in that case, thanks to our team in Italy, we are able to provide a solution for optimizing the existing packing facility. We can upgrade the control system, including the waiting units. We can also modify, improve, or completely replace the filling unit with a new modern concept in order to handle this, for instance, cement with a high blend or particular abrasive material.